Understanding a breed's temperament is essential. Some dogs are affectionate and loyal, while others are more independent. Size matters too. Small breeds are suitable for apartments, while larger ones need more space. Energy levels vary, from high-energy breeds requiring daily exercise to low-energy ones content with short walks. Keep in mind health concerns that certain breeds may be prone to, and consider adopting from shelters or rescues for a wider range of lovable mixed breeds. By taking the time to research and choose wisely, you can find the perfect canine companion that complements your lifestyle and brings immeasurable joy to your life.